Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kai. For those of you who are new, in today's wig review, I am reviewing a unit from Luvmehair. Shout out to them for sending me this unit. Super excited to try it, you guys. It is very full. I don't have all the details right here with me right now, but just make sure you check the description box below and I will have all the information there for you. So this unit did come naturally straight. It's air dried right now, so that's why it has more of a little like curl to it. Now I went in and I dyed the ends because I just wanted to add some color, because I feel like it's spring and I just wanted a little color to my life, you know. This is what the wig came in. We're going to take off this packaging and I'm going to show you guys what came in here. So of course this wig, of course the wig. I do know for sure that the unit is 20 inches long. It also came with one of its adjustable straps to attach inside the unit, which I did not put in there, but they do already have the piece that you would clip that onto installed into the unit. Oh wow, I didn't open this like box completely. I just took the wig out. Y'all, they put some face mask in here for me. What? Thank you, because I have not been able to find any. It says sanitation mask special for you. Stay safe and healthy. Luvmehair is here with you. That is so sweet. I did not know that was in there. It was all the way at the bottom of the box. And then of course we got a package of goodies. So I love that they always send this stuff. It's always so handy. I always need it. Oh, little Love Me clip. A tail comb that I'm trying to get out of here. Rat tail comb. We have some edge tamer or flyaway tamer. And then we have some bobby pins. I need bobby pins. And another elastic band. And then some tweezers. And last but not least, super duper, ooh, we have, you guys, a curling iron. What? They put in, is this a curling iron or a flat iron? I'm not even sure. How do you open this? I think it opens, but I'm trying to figure out how it opens. Oh, maybe it doesn't open. Maybe I'm tripping. Oh, y'all, I'm an idiot. I'm sitting here like, how do you open this? Do you push this? Like, do you twist it? Look at this. Why did I not see that? Why did I not see that? It's a flat iron, not a curling iron. I'm so silly. Okay, but this is cute and it has their logo on it. It says Love Me at the bottom. Cute. Okay. So I'm gonna plug this in because I am going to use her. But first what I'm going to do is install my wiggy wig. And I'm gonna let you guys know I actually plucked the HE double hockey sticks out of this unit. I am not sure at all if it is a wig that is claimed to be already pre-plucked, but it was not pre-plucked how I wanted it to be. So I definitely went in and plucked like a lot. If you can see my trash can, it's like almost full from my plucking. Oh, and I'm using the Got To Be gel in black. This is my favorite gel to use. Besides the olive oil one, I think it's ORS, I'm not really sure. I love that one too. But I just always grab what's on top, and then this was on top today, so that's why we about to use it. Go straighten my hair, at least the back part of my hair, off camera, and then I will come back on camera when I get towards the top, because I just feel like I be putting so much attention to the back of my head to make sure it's straight that I don't want to bore you guys with that content. But in the future, if you would like to see me straighten my whole head of hair, let me know and I will include it. But for now, I think I'm gonna just keep it out of this video.
It happens.
Oh shoot, oh shoot. Listen here. They've got a wave iron attached to this, y'all. Look at this. Do y'all see that? Hold on. Wait. They got a wave iron attached to the other side. And then how you flip it is you will basically, this is the side with the wave, right? But you lock it by pushing it up, and then you gonna unlock the other side by pushing it down. Look at that. And now there's a flat iron. Oh shoot, I love it. Alright guys, so in this portion I actually this is the next day. This is the second day, and I had left the wig installed over the night, and I was like, let's see if I can just play around and do a different style. So that's what I did. I am basically just giving myself a side part. So I was like, why not record this and include it in the video? So this is just like a second day snippet of you seeing how the unit has melted more into my skin, like towards the hairline area, and it also just seeing it in a different style. So I thought I would just throw that clip in for you guys, and I hope that you enjoy seeing that as well, besides just the middle part. So this unit is freaking amazing, you guys. I love the unit. It's like the perfect density. I still do not know what the exact density of the unit is, but I will put it in my description box below, so check that out. But it is like such a nice wig. I love how thick it is. It comes naturally straight. It's a decent length in of a unit. 20 inches is my go-to, or longer. I really like longer. Now it did need to be, I did bleach this wig and I did pluck this wig. So that is one thing to consider when you get this unit. You will have to pluck it on your own and you will have to bleach it on your own. The unit has no cons whatsoever, unless you consider those cons, but I really don't, because to me, you get the opportunity to basically detail your unit you want it to look, you know. But if you guys enjoyed this video, leave me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment as well. Thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you Luvmehair for sending me this unit, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.